Oh my god. You did it. Great job. You can take the key and come take the key. By the way, I saw your brother here earlier. He didn't seem so well. I hope he's fine. I wonder what your brother was doing here. I haven't seen him in a while. Maybe he was hibernating. We should look for him in the Snow Valley. It's the destination from here. Reload. Harry. Okay. Intelligent. Connect the escape. Come on. In the mobile. A, B. Nobody in the next episode. Stay tuned for the next episode. Snow Valley. Luca is here in the Hello and welcome to my big customer service. I'm sure you can buy anything new items are available every 8 hours. You can also open loot box to get a random item that might not be in your shop. Six rarity categories: common, rare, epic, legendary, and the highest legendary items. Everything at my brother's shop. Here's the pink rabbit on the other side of the river. His items are quite special. By the way, everything you unlock can be kept here free for a change. Alright, I hope everything is clear. I mean, always everything is clear. Oh. I'm glad for you. I think that. Look what's touching. You really got it. Then I see. Come. Come on. Do it. You see it with your tongue. You know it. Hedo. Oh, darling. Then I'll do it together. And I'll see where they get the photo. See you have a job. Look up. A bad way to make the grass. You don't see. I'm going to be on the Oh, God. Yes. That's teaching. Oh my God. Oh my God, don't do a painting. Either am I? Do a painting. No. Dark one, the story of the world. Come on, go on. Dạ bây giờ tôi cũng đi cho lui là hả mai được qua. Đi nghe kìa. Đi đi. Chú sẽ đi thì con sẽ đi vào nhà mà bố. Cô biết mà có lên đâu đi rồi. Ta mót lên vào lực khuôn mà làm đi. Cái đó thì lúc lên đi rồi.